We've spent 6 years getting to this point, and actually a lot of that has been around can we collect tissue, how are we going to do it, the logistics around database and data collections, then the sort of lovely little last straw of the GDPR business, etc. So we've fortunately found a database which is actually an academic free, it's a non-profit making organisation, actually run out of the University of Vanderbilt. We've managed to use that, which is also what Australia is using, and we're trying to persuade some of our European colleagues to start using it, so that we are going to create some case report forms with each of these rare tumours, so that we actually then have exactly the same information collected, and it'll be easy to amalgamate in the future. So that bit's probably already being done. It's got obviously more development to go, but at least we've got a basis and we've got it started. I think the next step is to try and get everyone engaged, to actually get everyone signed up to it, to say this patient that we're discussing at this MDT has this rare tumour, therefore we need to register them with the rare tumour database, we need to collect their tissue, we need to follow them up, maybe not particularly frequently, but we need then to report what happens to them. We've started off with a smallish list that the gynecological pathologists have chosen for us based on the WHO criteria, but I would like to expand that list, and ultimately it would be really good to see rarer tumours, but maybe not rare cancers, such as vulval cancer, being involved in that, because these really aren't particularly common when they get to more advanced stages, and how we treat and manage those is very much a Cinderella subject in gynae tumours. So I think there's the beginnings, there's a seed starting, and I'm hoping that will germinate into something much more fruitful and useful in the future. But yes, there have been logistical problems. I think the gynecological community has been looking for something like this for some time. They still do have questions, they still want more, quite understandably, so certainly a couple of the comments were, well, can you not set up these tumour boards straight away? And I said, well, we'd love to, but we don't really know how to treat them yet. We need to collect the data in order to be able to help inform you. But I'm sure that sort of thing will develop as part of this. Equally, I think developing clinical trials with pharma and academic institutions to actually get the right drugs to the right patients with these rarer tumours is another hurdle that we hopefully will incorporate into all of this umbrella setup. But it's all going to take time.